Hello, Forex for Beginners family. My name is Sade, and I have been studying Forex for over 3 years now, but I never was able to grasp the skills that I needed to fully understand it. When I came across Forex for Beginners family, I was so excited to see that it was 100% free and that things were on your own time. You didn't have to worry about your monthly payment running out, or if so-and-so didn't pay their bill this month, so your team was shrinking. And that's actually how I heard about Forex, was through a network marketing program. And I was never able to focus on the education that they had, the education that I was paying for, because I was so worried about, convincing this person that Forex is great and how they should sign up with me. And I just wasn't able to focus the way that I needed to. And I'm so grateful for Saad and his Forex for Beginners Academy, because that it puts these skills and the freedom back into my hands. It puts the power back into the learner's hands. Now with Saad, I've always heard about, the Fibonacci tool and the support and resistance channels and the candlestick patterns and EMAs, but I never fully understand it. And Saad breaks everything down lesson by lesson, step by step, and he's with us every step of the way. He has a student group for students who are serious, because if you're serious, you'll do this program and you'll dedicate, time to this daily. I tell people about this program. I say, if you have an hour to dedicate to pen and paper every day, this is a program for you, because it will level your skills. It will elevate your skills. He also provides us with a TradingView discount, and that's where you go and you mark up your charts. That's for serious Forex traders. This program has just helped me, completely, 1,000%. I always believed in Forex. I always believed in what it could do for me and my family. And now, because of Saad and his free program, I am able to have control once again. So I hope whoever hears this video, I hope that it encourages you today to decide that you want to take this opportunity seriously, because it's, what else do we have to lose? Okay. Well, I hope you have a good one. Bye-bye.